This is your garage command center, where you can manage all of your vehicle projects in one place. Click into Active Projects to view your garage, and select Create New Project to start building your first project. Enter your VIN number, scroll down and select Pre-populate Inputs. From here, you can choose which categories you want NGN to search for based on what matters most for your build. Once you've selected your categories, run the pre-population again. NGN will pull in structured data across your selected systems. Your inputs appear in a review window where you can quickly verify everything. If anything looks off, you can easily edit or swap values before confirming. Once everything looks good, select Populate Inputs. Now your project is fully initialized with real vehicle data. At the top, you'll see your vehicle's year, make, and model. You can also assign a custom nickname to personalize your build. Next, generate a custom cover image for your project. Choose between a wireframe or a full showroom render. You can describe specific details like modifications, styling, or even the driver behind the wheel. For this example, we'll use matte black paint, a lifted suspension, and a happy guy driving. Please note that prompts using the likeness of real characters or people may cause the generation to fail. Select your color, generate the image, and your project instantly gets a visual identity. Scrolling down, you can explore all of your vehicle inputs organized by category. Everything is now structured and easy to navigate. You can edit your mileage and maintenance info in the maintenance section or in the maintenance hub that will be covered in another video. These inputs are all what is used to train your Axle assistant. You can switch into AI chat and talk directly with Axle. Ask questions about your exact vehicle, like common issues or recommended maintenance. Because Axle is trained on your project's inputs, the responses are tailored specifically to your car. This becomes especially powerful for diagnostics, planning, and parts decisions. You can generate action plans, to-do lists, step-by-step guidance, ask for hypothetical build implications, generate tables, find YouTube tutorials, and more, all directly from your vehicle data. This provides immediate advantages to a generic AI tool that will never fully learn your car, won't remember it, and is not made to run your garage. When you return to your active projects, your build is saved and ready to manage. You can also add your project to your showroom. When you visit your profile, your build is now part of your public garage. That's how you create your first project in NGN.AI and bring your build to life. See you on the next tutorial video.